Hi everyone, welcome to Homeschool Week 9. This week, very similar to last week, is going to be focused on our King Tut CER. This week you're actually going to be writing your CER using the graphic organizer and the text that you read and wrote on last week. Just so you are aware right away, you're going to be using from last week, the Homeschool Week 8, Wednesday and Thursday, opening up your CER organizer so that you can use it to write your CER for this week. So this week we have Monday and Tuesday, the same assignment. If you go in, you'll see some directions up here and 3 different documents. I'm going to go through these documents right now. So the first one is the King Tut CER. It says number 6, and this is where you're going to be actually writing your CER. Okay, it says, please use the annotated King Tut CSI text in your graphic organizer to answer the following prompt below. And then this prompt is the one that we've already seen and have been working with. So you're writing your CER here. I've also attached a copy of the Cer Reference Sheet. So this is where we kind of give the definitions of claim, evidence, and reasoning and the sentence starters. You guys know what claim, evidence, reasoning is at this point, so it's really just so you can use the sentence starters to write. Finally, there is the copy of the CER extension. Some of you have done this before, some of you have not, but if you feel like pushing yourself, doing a little bit extra, so that you can really work on your CER skills before you go to 7th grade, there are 3 different options here of things you can do to extend your CER. Make sure you go in order, and as I wrote in the assignment, if you are someone who has done this before, it is highly recommended that you do it again, especially since we're getting towards the end of the year. Okay, so that's Monday and Tuesday. If you go to Wednesday, you'll see it says, today you will be color coding your CER. I've attached an exemplar that shows what yours should look like. You're not revising your CER today, you're just doing the color coding, okay? You'll do the revising on Thursday. So if we look at this here, it's what we've seen many times before. It is the caveman diet one that's been coded, so you can see, right, what order your different colors should be in. Some important things: you need to always have a sentence starter before you introduce a quote. When you give your reasoning, you always want to repeat your claim again so people know what you're talking about. And don't forget to put in those transition words in between pieces of evidence that you give. So this is what you're doing on Wednesday. You're color coding your own work using this as a guide. Finally, then we get to Thursday, and Thursday is just revision. So if you look at your color-coded CER and you notice that not all the colors are there or they're not in the right order, that's when you want to fix it and add to it. We have a couple reference explanations here. If you're someone who did 2 pieces of evidence, these are the colors you need, how many you need to have for each. This is the example for if you did 3 pieces of evidence. One other thing, I guess, too, for those of you who are doing the extension piece, I think first and foremost would be just add some more evidence, right? There's plenty of evidence in the text that we read, so before you do any of these things, add a couple more pieces of evidence, a couple more reasonings, and then go on to this. And then on Friday, same as before, you can catch up on any CER work on Friday, or you can do IXL, anything in the 6th grade social studies page you can do for no more than 30 minutes. Good luck with this. Email me if you have any questions, if you want to chat on Zoom about something, and I will see you all in your classes this week. Bye-bye.